Hello, happy Friday. Is anybody around today? I think I start all my videos by saying that, actually. I just realized. Let's see. It is 1:30 my time, which means it's about 7:30 your time. So you guys are probably just getting started on your morning, so I probably won't hear from you yet if you're taking kids to school or getting them off on the bus or whatever in America. So happy Friday, first of all. Secondly, I am talking about my sixth tip. I always forget where I'm at. Sixth tip for building a landing page that will help grow your therapy or coaching or healing practice. So before I dive into my sixth tip, the last tip I covered was standing in front of your brand. Today I'm talking about social proof. Before I get started, let me just quickly introduce myself. My name is Kate, and my business is called STUDIOKTR, and I work with therapists, coaches, and healers the world round from my home here in the UK, where I help them up-level their businesses through brand and website makeovers so they have more confidence, can take those bigger opportunities their business needs, get taken seriously in their industry, and get taken seriously by their potential clients. Okay, so we want landing pages because they are a great tool for selling in your business. I don't know about you, I'm not a natural salesperson. I know a lot of my friends who are coaches and therapists are not as well, because they're really good at what they do, but they aren't necessarily a natural salesperson. So if you don't like selling, or you find it kind of like slimy, I don't want to say slimy, but if you feel like you're feeling slimy when you do it, and it just doesn't come naturally to you, then a landing page is the way to go. Okay, so today I'm talking about social proof. And what you need to have on your landing page is obviously, I've talked about a lot of things about design and flow and all these things, but what it really comes down to is you want to build that trust with your audience, okay? Trust because they have to trust that if they're on the other side of the world and they're sending you money, that you're going to deliver what you say you're going to deliver. Trust in the fact that they have to feel comfortable with you, especially if you're offering like one-on-one coaching or a group coaching program or whatever. Okay, so another way to build trust on your landing page and to help increase sales, what would make people more likely to click on that yes button, whether you're using your landing page for a workshop, like I said, or one-on-one coaching or group coaching or whatever it is that you're selling, in order for them to click that button, that call to action, that important action that you want them to take, they need to feel comfortable and safe that what they're applying towards or what they're paying for is going to benefit them. Okay, and a way to show them that your whatever it is you're selling works and creates real transformation is by showing social proof, okay? So they need to know that whatever you're selling, let's just say it's a group coaching program, they need to know that your group coaching program is gonna get results for people, okay? So the best thing that you can do is show social proof. So it might be in the form of Facebook reviews that you've gotten on your business Facebook page. It might be testimonials that people have written, or it might be video testimonials. If you can get video testimonials from your clients, that's really powerful stuff, okay? But being a coach, being a therapist, being a healer, you might find it a struggle using those testimonials, okay? And I have found this doing websites for my clients who are coaches and therapists. A lot of times, their clients are willing to leave a testimonial, but they don't want to share their name, right? So let's say that you do, like Diane does, grief coaching and counseling, right? So Diane, you do that. So not everybody will want to say that they had to go, or they felt the need to go to a coach and talk about grief. Not everybody's forthcoming with that information. They may be happy to share a testimonial, but they may not want their name added to it. Okay, so I've had to do this for clients where I've had like a friend who's a therapist who has all these testimonials, but the people didn't want to share their names. So all you can do is the best that you can do. You can say, you know, if it's a parent giving a testimonial for something, you can say parent in Wisconsin, or you can say, you know, whatever it might be, whatever you can use to describe them without describing their real name, and check with them first. Make sure it's okay with them. Make sure that the way that you're describing or using their names is appropriate with them, okay? And I know it can be a really big struggle. A lot of times too, you can't always get people to share their images with a testimonial. Now, if you can share someone's image with a testimonial, that's like amazing, but not a lot of clients will want to do that. So find an image on one of the free stock imagery websites that correlates with what's being said in the testimonial. Does that make sense? So if, let's say someone says, okay, I did group coaching for my business, and my business was doing really bad, and they lived this massive testimonial, but they don't want to share their picture and they don't want to share their name. You could just go into one of the free stock imagery sites, and if you don't know any of those, let me know and I'll get you a list of them, and just use a stock imagery, a picture that relates to business and what that person's talking about in that testimonial. Okay, that's an easy workaround if you need that, because I know it could be a struggle sometimes. But if someone's willing to share their name, willing to share an image, even better, or if they're willing to share a video testimonial, that's even the best. Okay, so do your best to show some social proof, because the people that come to your landing page will want to know that and feel comfortable with that before they make that purchase. Okay, so whatever you can show them, the better. Okay, does that make sense? All right, so I think I might be coming on live with one other topic today, but I will be carrying on with this series next week. Okay, so we're on tip, what did I say, 6? We're on tip 6, so I only have 4 more to go in this series, and I want to really help you guys out if you have any questions or if you're launching something. So put in the post below if you're launching a product or a service or a coaching program or something like that. Let us know what you're selling below, tell us, and put it in the comments. And once again, if you're catching the replay, just hit #replay so that we know that you're catching the videos. And just as a last minute reminder, I only have 4 more posts in the series to discuss with you guys. So if you get to the point where you realize that you don't want to DIY it, then please get in touch with me, because just as a reminder, for the month of October only, while I'm going through this series, I'm offering 10% off my landing page designs only. Okay, so if you are struggling or you're not techie, or you just feel like you just want it done right and you don't want to fuss with it, give me a shout. We'll talk about what you're selling and we'll work through it, and we'll design a page that will help you create more sales in a more genuine way through your landing page. All right, that's it. Have a beautiful weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Okay, take care. Bye.